Politicians are supposed to implement laws that would make life easier for the people, right? But nowadays, parang they are being the problem instead. Not only in the Philippines. If you search, governments are failing. They're slowly vanishing. Bakit kaya ang hunger is not being felt just in the Philippines but all over the world? Why do you think smart politicians can't even solve simple and basic problems nowadays? Why do you think war and violence are always being considered a solution? Why do you think children and old people who are suffering because of wars left and right are being ignored? Minsan ba napapaisip ka kung saan to lahat papunta? Naiisip mo ba na masosolve pa to? Or kagaya ko, naiisip mo na mas lalala lang siya in the coming days? The children in Gaza is a perfect example of a failed system. The government is failing people. Dati, kapag may isang pirasong bata lang na nasaktan, they would, try to do something para hindi na mangyari yun sa ibang bata. Pero parang nagiging ordinaryo na lang sa social media makapanood ng mga batang nasasaktan, batang mga napapahamak because of wars. Hindi nyo rin ba napansin, pataas na ng pataas ang bullying sa schools, hindi lamang sa Pilipinas, kundi sa ibang bansa? You know why? Because children nowadays are being so exposed to violence, to anger, envy, and revenge. Sigurado ako nowadays sa sobrang daming violence na nangyayari all over the world, yung mga anak nyo na nagse-cellphone, for sure, may dumaan sa FYP ng mga yan na nakakita ang mga mata nila, na stimulate ang mga mata nila ng violence at paulit-ulit nilang nakita yon to the point na iisipin ng mga batang yan na ang violence ay ordinaryo na lang. I feel so sorry for our children. We have failed them. Ang dami-dami na ang problema. Idadagdag nyo pa yung pag-a-announce nyo about sa 3i Atlas. Ano ba gusto nyo talaga?